You've heard about anti-aging techniques for humans, but what about dogs? Smithsonian Magazine reveals there's a new drug closer to approval that could extend dogs' lives. San Francisco-based startup Loyal is developing this lifespan drug since a dog's average lifespan is only about 10 to 13 years. The company plans to begin a large-scale clinical trial with 1,000 large dogs in 2024, with the goal of having the product on the market by 2026.
Can they hurry up, please? My Audrey's like 11 and a half years old, my Chihuahua, and I have her like a jazzercise, anything I can do to keep her healthy. And I look at her and think, can you live forever, please?
I mean, listen, and this is like the first drug I think the FDA has said we would approve this.
Yeah.
So that's a huge, important factor because it can't get through otherwise.
And I think that if it works in dogs, I think they would start looking at it maybe in human life expectancy.
Wow.
Maybe there's something you could do to make us...
Do you know that, or are you hypothesizing?
I think I know that. I read the article. They mentioned that. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't get that far. I was happy with the dog.
I was thrilled with the dogs, and I thought, ooh, me too. How great is that? Throw us a bone, please. Hello.
The challenge here, though, we're going to have to redo the whole dog years to human years math thing.
Whatever it takes for our dogs to live longer.
Okay.
Yes, please.
I am in. Rossi, your story.
Okay, question. Is anybody really bugged by mastication? Do you know what mastication is?
I sure do. It's chewing.
It's that the hearing people chew things. Well, the Washington Post reports Doritos has come up with a solution, making a crunch silencing app. It's the app you didn't know you needed, really, but they are solving the problem. It uses noise-canceling technology. The brand has created an app called the Doritos Silent that cancels out the sound of chomping on chips. And it is actually geared towards people talking over microphones, like gamers or on a Zoom, or maybe a podcaster, right? So it's a real problem, and the company recorded 5,000 different types of munching sounds. I think I provided all those munching sounds. And then they mixed in conversation around the chewing so the AI could pick out just the munching sound. Isn't that fascinating?
Look at this. It's very weird.
My voice sounds completely normal, but behind the scenes, it's searching for the sound of a Doritos Crunch so that it can remove it from the audio stream. Let's give it a shot.
I mean...
Awesome.
Okay, my first question is, why this?
Yeah, right.
Like, this is the stupidest problem that we didn't need solved. Sorry, if you can't stop shoving food in your face at work, well, then you're the problem.
You're the problem, it's you.
You're the problem, it's you.
These engineers need to solve the sonic boom problem, because then they could cancel that out, and I could go from LA to here.
Can I ask you a question? Because everyone talked about AI, we're all kind of scared about what's coming. Then we hear, oh, good, it can make it so you can chew Doritos and nobody cares. Great. Will it do other stuff? Are there going to be benefits from all
Absolutely,
the stuff that's coming?
Big diseases, like
which ones?
Like, there's some potential with, so my mom passed away from ALS, and there's, a lot of breakthroughs, things like that, of, actually figuring out the details of how these diseases can be solved.
Okay. Mark Rober, his Kids STEM toy subscription box, Crunch Labs, is available now. Millions have been sold, and millions more will be sold, hopefully with the help of our show, because we really believe in what you're doing, Mark. And stick around. We'll be right back.